Okay. America needs a good president. Which one of you is the best?
I am. I will take the troops home and stop the useless war on terror. We are wasting troops.
Shut up. Your ideas suck. I am the best candidate because the rest of the candidates are idiots.
Go fuck yourself, Kane. Oh wait, you already touch yourself at night. No wonder you have sexually assaulted so many women.
You shouldn't talk, Barry. Your brain is the size of a peanut. Wait, you don't have a brain. Move to Mexico. Nobody likes you.
Stop fighting, all of you. You're all idiots who don't know how to govern a country. You shouldn't even be candidates.
This is why I'm the best candidate. As you can see, all the other candidates are mindless idiots.
How many times do I have to tell you to shut the fuck up, old man? What the hell is wrong with you?
That is it. This debate is over.
Fine.